want to share this truck with you. It's got one of our Westcott Designs roof racks with 40-inch Baja Designs light bar. Just wanted to show you how nice and tight that our front visor fits up against the roof of the truck here, so it really keeps the wind moving across the vehicle. And then obviously we've talked about this before, but how tight we keep the gap down here on the side of the visor to the roof of the truck, and that's really so we can keep the air to minimize itself getting up underneath the roof rack for fuel economy and wind noise. And then obviously we make our brackets here, and they're all made separate, they're all stamped, and they're all made out of steel. And we do that so we can obviously take and add a lot more weight to the roof before they ever start to fatigue themselves. Actually the roof rack itself will hold more weight than actually the roof will. So this one does not. Oh, this one does have the floor inserts in it. So this has got our floor inserts dropped to the lower section in the roof rack. So, and then here's one of our ladders. Obviously it mounts fully across the top here, which is super nice. Where some of the roof rack ladders only mount to a portion of the roof. We want to maximize the ability to hold onto the roof with our ladder. And then obviously it fastens underneath the bottom here, and it fastens fully across the bottom for strength. And we did do that video to show you that it would hold the weight of the car, which was pretty impressive. So these are a set of our Westcott Designs rock sliders here. These are 20 degrees with a top plate. And then you can see back here, this is our incorporated bottle opener that we have there. We installed some King rear shocks on this with reservoirs. It's got some Method 305s, they call them the NVs, and a 17 by 8.5 with a set of Toyo Open Country AT3s. We've got some King coilovers with a cambric uniball upper control arm with the caps, and these King coilover 2.5s, obviously that I just mentioned. These are 0 to 3 inch adjustable. So again, just wanted to share with you some of the things on this vehicle that we finished up, and wanted you to see what it looked like. So we hope you enjoy it, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.